C language, we are going to learn about our topic number 112, how to initialize graphics in C. So let's look at graphics in C language. So in the previous video, we have talked about the graphics about the graphics header file. Now in this video, we are going to learn about that how to initialize the graphics in C language. So let's look at. So this is the syntax that I have already told you that if you wanted to include your graphics header file, then you have to write the hashtag include graphics.h in the header part of your program. Okay. Then there are so many functions as I have told you under the graphics header file in the previous lecture. So in this lecture we are going to initialize our graph. So these three functions is going to help you for initializing the graphics in C language. These are init graph, that is used for the initialization purpose of the graph, and this is the close graph which is used to close the graph, and this is restore CRT mode function which is used to restore the CRT mode in graphics. So let's look at the program that I am going to initialize with the help of graphics header file. So let's look at graphics initialization in C language. So here you can see here the program that this program is actually used to initialize the graphic, and I am using the concept to initialize the graphic with the help of init graph, with the help of close graph, and with the help of restore CRT mode function. Okay. So this program is used to draw a circle in C language using the graphics. Okay, so first of all we have to include our graphics header file. So this is the hashtag include graphics.h header file. So through this we can access each and every function of a graphics, and we have studied about the graphics functions in the previous lecture, about the init graph, about the close graph, about the restore CRT mode, and different kinds of functions was there in the graphics.h header file. After the declaration of this graphics.h header file, I am declaring hashtag include studio lib.h and hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include conio.h. So studio stands for standard input output header file and conio stands for control input output header file. After the declaration of this header file, I am just working on the main. So this is the main function. This is the main function, and there we have passes the void. Okay, and this main function is actually returning the value, that is integer here. After then I am just opening the main function here, and this is what we call the initialization of the G driver. In teaser G driver, request auto detection is the process which requests to the error codes, G modes, and detect. Okay, so actually I am initializing G driver equal to detect. So detect should be in a capital letter, comma G mode and error code of integer data type. So G mode is a variable of integer data type, error code is the variable of integer data type, and G driver is also a variable of integer data type which is containing detect in it. Okay. After then I am initializing, we can say mid x and mid y of integer data type, because this program is going to draw a circle in C language using the help of the graphics header file, using the help of the graphics. So first of all we have to initialize the graphics. Okay, then after that I am using the radius variable, and in radius I am storing 100 in it, and because radius is of integer data type, therefore 100 is going to be stored here. Okay. After finally I will say that I am going to initialize the graphics and the local variables. So this is how you can initialize the graphics with the help of init graph function. I have told you about the init graph function is that it is used to initialize the graphics in C language. So init graph function, in init graph function I am passing the address of a G driver and G mode. Then I am passing the address of the BGI, which is the background. This is the location under the file of C that I am passing. This is the path for initializing the graphics in C language. So you need to write these things. After this, I am using the concept read result of the initialization, that is error code is equal to graph result. Okay, so graph result is the function here that is going to be stored in the error code, and if error code is not going to be ZROK, then print this statement, means graphics error message will occur. Okay, then press any key to halt. Getch is a function which is used to get a character from the keyboard, and exit one, it means terminate with an error code. So this is going to use for read result of the initialization. So we can say the error code message will be displayed with the help of this function. Okay, then I am just initializing get max x function divided by 2 is going to be assigned in the mid x, and get max y function divided by 2 is going to be assigned in the mid y. Okay, and then I am initializing the set color. Set color is a function here, and I am using the get max color. So whatever the maximum colors, get max color is actually the function, predefined function in the graphics setup file. So whatever the maximum color in the C language is going to be used in the set color. Set color is the function used to set the color on the circle. Okay. After that, I am drawing the circle with the help of circle function, as I have told you about the circle function in the C language in the previous lecture of the graphics header file. So you need to specify the circle function here, and you need to specify mid x, mid y, and radius here. Then after that, using the concept of the cleanup, because get function is used to get when we get a character, then this is going to terminate. It means get ch is used for getting a character from the keyboards. After the execution of this statement will execute, and close graph help us to close the graph. Okay, so finally our code has been running successfully, and if it is going to return 0, it means it is going to be run successfully. And after the execution of this all program, we will see a circle after the compilation of this program, like this. So this is the output of circle, that how to draw a circle in C language with the help of graphics. So you can see the output. So this is all about that, how to initialize the graphics in C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.